All right, guys, today we're going to continue our series on VA home loans and the top 10 things you need to know before you get your VA home loan. Today, we're going to talk all about what different types of inspections or reports are required on a VA home loan. Hey, guys, welcome back. I'm Aaron DeHart. If you haven't already, give us a like and give us a subscribe so you can be informed whenever we come out with great new information on real estate and home loans. All right, so let's get right down to it. So VA home loans are a little bit of a different and unique animal, and today we're going to cover all the things that are required on a VA loan, particular types of inspections, if it's a particular type of property, etc. So let's start with number one, obviously the appraisal. Now, a lot of times you will hear a lot of myths about VA and that the appraisals are more stringent, the appraisals are a lot more strict. That's really not true. All the VA is looking for is what's called the 3 S's: safe, sound, sanitary. They want to make sure that that property is safe, sound, and sanitary for the veteran and their family to occupy that home. So normal things that you would want in a house to be fixed before you move in it. For example, peeling paint. Why is peeling paint a big issue? Well, if you got little kids or you have families over that are visiting with little kids, you don't want them eating chipped paint. So any type of peeling paint's got to be fixed. It's got to be scraped, fresh paint. Number 2, any type of broken glass or any health and safety hazards, they want to make sure that all the smoke alarms are working. There's a hot water heater. They want to make sure that the hot water heater is securely strapped and secured. All those things are super, super important in regards to the VA appraisal. So now the VA appraisal is not only doing the value of the home and making sure that the home is worth what it's being sold for, but they also want to make sure that the home is safe, sound, and sanitary. So again, normal things that you would want on any type of appraisal to cover that home. A pest inspection or a termite inspection. Now with VA home loans, the only time a pest or a termite inspection, they're both the same thing, is not required is when you're doing a VA streamlined refinance, meaning you're going from your current VA loan into a new VA loan at a lower interest rate. And that's because the VA already has that home insured. Now, if you're doing a purchase utilizing a VA loan, I don't care if the house is 50 years old or if it's brand new construction. VA is going to require a pest inspection. Now, there are certain states where the rules are a little bit different, but for the majority of states, they are going to require a pest inspection. And the reason being is they want to make sure that there's not any wood destroying insects, any types of critters that could eventually make the house start to deteriorate and rot. So those are things that they're going to look for. The pest inspection is going to look for any type of rotting wood. Is there earth to ground contact? Anything that can make that an inviting home for infestation for insects and wood destroying pests. Okay. Should I get a home inspection? And the answer is absolutely yes. That is your inspection. And a lot of people will get confused between a home inspection and the appraisal. The home inspection, that inspector is going to get down to the bare bones of the property. They're going to go in the crawl space. They're going to look at everything. They're going to make sure the foundation is acceptable and in good condition. That is your inspection. Is it required? No. Is it a good thing to get? Absolutely. So make sure you get a home inspection. So on VA loans, the 2 biggest things is obviously the VA appraisal and a pest inspection. Now let's talk about some unique properties that might require some different things. So right now we have a couple of manufactured homes that are going utilizing a VA loan. One of them is on a well, a water well, where they get their water from. So VA requires a water test to make sure that that water is safe and sufficient to be able to drink and not cause any harm. Sometimes if there's a septic or something like that, VA may require a septic inspection. A lot of times will just determine what the appraiser might call out. But if you do have a well on that property, whether it's a manufactured home or not, VA is going to require a well water test. Again, VA is all about protecting the veteran and their family, so they want to make sure that those are all a big requirement with that. So that's the big things with VA loans and what types of inspections or appraisals you might be looking into. Now let's talk about how that works. So with VA loans, as a lender, the only thing that we order, guys, is the appraisal. That's it. Any other type of inspections are going to be your real estate agents. It has to do with the property, so it's their responsibility to make sure that those are being ordered. So it's very important when you're getting a VA loan, make sure that your real estate agent or your real estate professional understands that there's some different requirements and different inspections inspections that are required for a VA loan, namely the pest inspection. You cannot get away without it. And guys, I've had realtors call me up before and say, you know, I just did a VA loan a couple years ago and we didn't have to get a pest inspection on it. That's not true. Every single VA loan requires a pest inspection. Again, I don't care if the house is 50 years old or if it's brand new construction. VA wants to make sure that that home is safe and it's not going to have any wood destroying or pests involved with the property. So that's about it, guys, for the different types of inspections that are going to be required for a VA home loan. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. Feel free to share this video with anybody that might need it, and stay tuned for the next video. Talk to you guys soon. Have an awesome day. Take care. Bye-bye.